Hello, dear teachers. Oh, what can I say here? Tired of doing what? Preparing lesson plans, class tests, question papers, correction. Oh, I can understand. And along with that, proxies and substitutions too. I know that. I know this pressure. But don't worry, there is an amazing solution for you. Let me tell you what. Do you see this happy face out there? Yes, teachers, there's a specific time for everything, and everything happens at its time. So let's make it easy and simple. The smart way to generate your question papers as per the blueprints provided. Yes, you heard me right. Let me tell you what is the tool. Everybody nowadays talking about all of these tools. Chat GPT, Open AI, Bard AI, and Perplexity. Let me pronounce it again, huh? Perplexity. Let's get started to this. Why we should stay behind. We are smart educators. So let me tell you what's the easiest way to generate your question papers as per your blueprints. So here I'm going to take you to Chat GPT. So look at this, teachers. What it is, chat.openai.com. So I'll be providing you the link for the same, and you can go to this link and work upon it. Provided you need to log in to this link to this chat.openai.com with your ID. So you can use your Gmail ID simply. That's it, and you're done. So here at the bottom, you can see the text box which says send a message. That means here you can put up your query, whatever you want to generate. Let's begin. I want this chat GPT to generate, let me type in a query here. This is also known as a prompt. So, how much specifically you will ask the prompt, that's how personalized output you will get. So, let's say generate um, case based five questions on topic. mm, let's say Uh, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, let's not take. Okay, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Let's make it simple. Photosynthesis for which grade? Let's say for grade 5. Generate case based 5 questions on topic photosynthesis for grade 5. As simple as that. And here I'm clicking on the green icon. Let the magic happen. Oh my God, you can see that, teachers. It has given me the questions. What is photosynthesis and why is it important for plants? And all the other questions that you can see. Now, what do I do with this? I can simply copy them and paste it in the Word document, and I can maybe edit them, maybe modify them, right? Or here on the side, you can see 3 icons, copy, thumbs up, and down, and you can do that. Does it work only for science? No, not at all. It will work very well for math and Hindi and Marathi too. Yes, you heard me right. Hindi and Marathi too. Let's go step by step. Let's generate the next one. So here on the left hand side, I have a new chat icon. So I'll click on that and it will begin a new one for me. So let's ask it to generate the question paper for Hindi. All right, let's do it. List, let's say 3 questions on chapter, what was that? Gilu. Gilu was one chapter in grade 9 Hindi, what I remember. So list 3 questions on chapter Gilu from Hindi grade 9. Am I framing it correctly? Okay. The chapter Gilu for Hindi grade 9. Okay. Well, let's see. Oh my God, it is typing in Hindi. Wonderful. कहानी गिलू के अनुसार गिलू के लिए जीवन में क्या महत्वपूर्ण होता है कृपया इसे विस्तार पूर्वक समझाइए. Wonderful. Here are the questions with us. So, do I need to type them? No, I'll just copy it to the Word document and I'm done. This is how it works for Hindi. This is one tool, teachers, wherein you can see your search history, what you have searched previously. That also it will show you. So here's a lesson plan that I have generated. So I asked a simple query, generate the lesson plan on topic carbon and its compounds for grade 10 in tabular format. And here you see it has given me the lesson plan in the tabular format along with the time duration. So I may not use it as it is, but this will definitely help me with the framework and some more ideas. Here is another idea for you teachers. What was the other one? Bard AI. Let me show you what it is. It is a Google AI tool and it works like this. You can see that bard.google.com. So here, let's try Bard. Here at the bottom, it is asking me to try this. Terms and conditions. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's try this. Do I need to check more? Okay, okay. I need to accept something. I agree, and then it will allow me to do it. That's the way. Okay, no, I don't want to opt to receive the mails. Here's the same way. So let's ask some other type of question now. So I will ask generate the mnemonic to memorize periodic table. All right, memorize periodic table. Let's see. It is working for us. So this is again working like ChatGPT as well, but the way this output is generated, this is little different. So here you can see at the bottom. Here's a mnemonic to remember the periodic table. So happy memories for hydrogen, helium memories, lithium memories, and so on. So there are different outputs they have given. So happy memories is straightforward association, happy often associated with positive emotions and blah blah blah. That's what it has given. I hope this mnemonic helps you to remember the periodic table of memories. I think I would generate more better than this. Never mind. Let's do the other one. What else? What should I ask now? Let's say list the uh, 5 ways to calculate. Let's not say five, let's say, okay, ways to calculate the uh, volume of a cylinder. hmm Does it know 5 ways? Are there any 5 ways? I don't know. Let's find out. So this tool will help us to figure it out whether there are 5 ways to figure it out. This is the first one. Radius and height. Oh, it found out. This is the formula. The second one also. The third one is there. So here they have given us a code also by which we can check whether it is correct or not. Wonderful. And the best part is you can export these responses as well and you can Google it whether this is correct or not. So the same way the bard.google.com will also help you. You can copy this down and you can paste it in your Word file. The another tool that I was talking about is perplexity.ai. So here you will just go and if you wish you can sign in and you can ask anything over here, right? So let me ask another question. So write a program to type first 20 prime numbers. Here's for computer teachers. So here I hit enter and here it is finding the program for me. Wonderful. Here it is teachers. Here's a C++ program. I may have specified that write a HTML code or C program and it has given me the output as well. So it's up to you. And at the bottom, here's a basic difference between ChatGPT Perplexity, it gives you the resources as well, the source from where the code has been taken, and you can verify that as well. So here it has given us some related questions as well. Let me modify the query. I will take the same query over here and I will ask it to generate that as an HTML code, right? HTML program. HTML program to type first 20 prime numbers. Here you go. And here it has given me the HTML code. This is kind of typing. I think I have asked it in a wrong way. It should have to generate the first 20 prime numbers. So it would have given me. So this is the right code in terms of C++. So this is how it makes wonders, teachers. So make your life easy. I'm reiterating the name of the tools again. That's ChatGPT, Bard AI, or you can simply say bard.google.com, and Perplexity AI. So apart from this, there is one more tool called Prep AI. So stay tuned and keep watching my videos on my channel and keep liking and sharing them so that you will be updated with the wonderful tools, and let's make our life easy together. Happy learning. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.